Alright, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be installing a little CB unit right here in my 96 Chevy Silverado. Don't mind the dirtiness. I'm in the process of getting this truck fixed up. A few plastic pieces missing, but it's whatever. And no, it's not stolen. Took that off to replace this. It's a little harness right here. And I'm going to end up mounting the CB right in this hole right here, so I made sure I got a compact CB. If it wants to focus, there we go. Let me go ahead and unbox it for you. Here it is unboxed. So pretty much you get a sticker, a few pieces right here, this little bracket. I mean, it already comes with a little mounting bracket. There's a speaker. This is the unit right here. It's pretty small. I like it. It's compact. Got your manual, your radio, mic, your up and down, change the channels. And that's pretty much what comes in the little box. I mean, it's pretty neat. Like I said, it's small enough to fit in there. So it's gonna work for what I need it for. All right, part 500 or whatever. I'm gonna just use this 16 gauge speaker wire, run it to the battery over here, fish it down through the steering boot, or the steering boot cover, whatever. But what I am using, gotta step up here, oh, it's at an angle, is this antenna right here. This little, it's not a little wheel, but it's a Cobra antenna. I already adjusted it, already tuned it and whatever. The SWR is pretty good on it, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. Let me show y'all what I did. So I pretty much just took that cable, the coax cable or whatever it's called, ran it through this little spot right here, kind of fished it in here, ran it down there. And obviously I don't have these panels, so whenever I do, it'll look a lot nicer. Kick panel as well. I don't have it, so it was pretty easy. And here we go. So I'm gonna just fish the wires that I need. I'm sorry for this rat nest, I need to clean that up. I'm gonna fish that coax cable from down there. And I already had a hole in here, as y'all can see back there. And I'm trying to fish that through there. Hopefully it fits. If not, I'm gonna do some trimming. But yeah, let's get this radio together. All right, so I got the CB installed. It's looking nice and neat. All the wires tucked up under there besides, I mean, this little light wire I got. Microphone up and down. I got the volume turned down right now, but I took down this little setting right here so I could hear some stuff. Kind of got a little glare. There we go.